Today we are going to compare the audio and video quality on the Sony ZV-1 with an iPhone and the onboard webcam of my MacBook Pro. Let's check it out. Hi, I'm Lishan. I teach on Zoom. I teach design online, and I've had to just learn how to use Zoom more over the last year, and I've been learning about gear and upgrading my gear to create a better experience for my students and the folks who are coming to my webinars. And so I saw a lot of reviews for the Sony ZV-1 as a vlogging camera, as a YouTuber camera, and it was within my budget, so I got one, and I'm just trying it out. I'm using the Sony ZV-1 right now with HDMI in to USB-C connected to my MacBook Pro, recording the video that way, and then the audio is going through my Blue Yeti microphone. Same setup with my Sony ZV-1, but I'm using the onboard microphone in the camera just to compare before. So before I was recording in QuickTime onto my MacBook Pro, but the audio was being captured using my Blue Yeti microphone. This is my Blue Yeti microphone here, which I used for the previous take. Now I'm recording the audio directly from the microphone found in the ZV-1, and we'll compare how that sounds. And just so we get some sort of control, so you can see what the defaults will look and sound like, this recording now is using the onboard webcam in my MacBook Pro, as well as the built-in microphone in my MacBook Pro. And I'm only about a foot away from here. It's like about an arm's length away from the computer. But I just wanted to give you an idea of this is the default look and sound if you're just doing Zoom or if you're capturing video with what you've got with your computer without any external devices. I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro, and it's connected to my computer with a USB cable using software called Epoch Cam, and it's basically allowing me to use the front camera of my iPhone as a webcam. So I'm recording this video and the audio from my iPhone, streaming into my computer, recording on QuickTime, just to give you a little bit of comparison. So we saw the ZV-1 with the mic, the ZV-1 with its own internal microphone with audio. We saw the defaults of just recording with the computer, built-in webcam and microphone, and now connecting an iPhone. So hopefully these quick sound and video tests give you an idea of the relative quality between using your computer webcam and connecting an iPhone or investing in a new camera like the ZV-1. But I'm happy with my purchase. I think I'm going to stick with this setup. Compare the audio and video quality on the Sony ZV-1 with an iPhone and the onboard webcam of my MacBook Pro.